Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am doing a challenge put out by Holly's Dolly Hobby, love that name, to dress a doll in a Mori style. Now, I don't know, I'm not very good at that sort of thing, but let me show you this outfit that I thought would be adorable for this. And Alexandra from Alexandra's Dolly World made this for me and sent it in a happy mail. I absolutely love it. When I say made, I mean all of it. The dress, the capelet with the hood, and her little bag for gathering mushrooms and stuff while she's out in the wilderness. Holly, if I didn't hit this on the head, you will forgive me. If you also are doing Holly's challenge today, would you please leave that in my comment? Because I'd like to see your Mori girls too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by and see Holly's channel also. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe to both of us.